Guys, welcome to my stream, guys. Here's a Modi's speech about his speech. Very much
That's the reason I got a profit. 1,400 to 500 rupees I got a profit.
like,
Your
share, and
previous
subscribe,
part
guys.
you
Like, share, and
mentioned
subscribe,
30th
guys.
expiry, both expiry with the same premium strike price I choose, same profit I saw for both. About 30th expiry, let us forget about 70th, that is already over. Okay, yes. So 30th expiry, what was your strike now? Same strike you mentioned in that, right? The same strike. Yeah, I have posted something. Yeah, same strike only. You posted no same strike it is. I choose. But actually, compared to yours, myself got a premium with a cheaper price. That may be that may be the reason I got a profit. And one more thing, correct? Yes. Now this leg will be at a loss. Yes. Actually, so you didn't do any adjustment as of now. No, I did not done any adjustment. What I have done is, I think this is my destiny. Wait. Okay. I've taken a trial. Yeah? Okay. This one. Correct? So this one, see, they have taken this one, correct? 23,400 and 23,500. Yes. Okay. What I have done is, I have exited both the leg and created these two new legs. $24,000 and 24,200. Sir, one thing simple. Tell me. Sir, while rolling over, how did you select this strike, sir? Because I also rolled over in the strike. But see, it's simple. Yeah, there is no logic. I'll tell you. See, what is the loss you have made? See, on one leg, then you have made a loss of 6,944. Correct? Yes, sir. Yes. 6,945. Then this one is 5,590. You have made a profit. What is your net loss then? It is 1,355. Correct? 1,355 is your net loss on these two legs put together. Correct? Yes, sir. Okay. So, what is my max profit on these two legs, whatever I have selected? 2,730. Correct? Yes. See, 2,730, 1,355 and 2,730. Still I am gaining 1,300 rupees. See, yesterday this was this rollover has happened yesterday. Okay, I never thought again market will go up by again 200 250 points. Today at least. Today it had gone to 196, but the peak was 840 or something, right? 860. Okay, so it is almost more than 250 points, close to 1% today. Yes. Okay, no problem. But even if it had again given a loss, I would have again done a rollover. See, my aim is, okay, what is this thing? If you take this strike, my aim is to make minimum 1 to 1.5% every week. First this thing. Okay. So my put leg, what is the premium? 2,233, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to make 1.5% on 90,000 investment, correct? Yes. 90,000, approximately 90,000 is what you need to take a short time conduct. It will be somewhere around 80 to 90, but let us take it as 90,000 itself. Okay. So that means even if you take 1.5%, 90,000 of 1.5% is 1,350. Okay. Correct? Correct. So what is my profit still? Even after I incur a loss, if at all, what is my strike now? On the lower side, it is 23,000, on the higher side, it is 24,000. Correct? Yes. So, what will be, as of now, what will be my max profit? 3,598. Even after calculating this loss also, my net profit assuming market stays within 23,000 and 24,000 for Q stay. Assuming. I'm understanding the word assuming. Okay. My profit will be 3598.
Yes.
Which is 5%, no?
Yes.
So tomorrow, if at all this legs give a loss, I will still take some 300, 400 points away. Definitely, market is not going to go to 23, 400, 23, 500 and all by QC unless until there is some super good news.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes.
See, when I am rolling over, my aim is to first cover these losses. On the first leg, I have made 1,355. Correct? So, on the second leg, even if I make a loss, I will roll over and ensure that I cover that loss. So, my put leg profit is my net profit. If the market is going up one side, okay. If the market is going up one side, okay, I will be covering the losses whatever I am incurring on the call side. My put leg profit is my net profit. And tomorrow, let's assume by Monday, if the market is at 24,000 level. Okay. Correct? Assuming by Monday, okay, which is one day before expiry, if the market is at 24,000 level, there is a very likely chance that it will fall to 23,000 on the next day. Yes, sir.
Possible.
Very possible. 1,000 points will it fall in a day?
Maybe, sir, I don't know. Up and down.
No. Forget about the negative news. I am talking about the, see, even base fall, don't take into consideration because that was not in your control. Okay. If, for example, something is anything over 50
points.
Yeah. Take even 400 points. Take even 400 points. Okay. So, see, again, I'm telling you, I'm not talking here about the even based rise or even based fall. That you don't know what is going to happen, correct? So, even if Nifty, so what I will do is instead of 23,000, I will roll this over to 23,300 or 400. So, still I will have a cushion of 500 to 600 points.
Yes.
Yes or no? So, this here also again when I roll this P over, when I roll it up, again I will be making some more profit there also. No, I'm confusing because you guys have not still understood short time candle. So that is why. No, I'm telling a general statement. I know there are some persons who knows how it works. But
no, sir. P also we used to move, sir. Sir, P also we used to move, sir.
I will move PE also provided there is a big gap between the call strike and the put strike.
Okay.
See, if the market is at 23,500, for example, okay. See, the market is at 23,500, I will not move it. I will just leave it because any of my profit is to earn only 1,300. If I'm getting 1,300, let me be happy. That is why I always say, fix your target, fix your return in your mind, stick to that. Consistently, you will make the same profit. The moment if you allow the greed to come into picture, the whole problem starts.
Why I had this question, sir? Because you have been telling like once you incur a loss in one leg, like in a credit strategy, call if you are incurring loss, you have been telling some calculations like half of the loss is something.
No, I am not telling. See, what is the actual loss you have made here? 1,300, correct?
Yes, sir, yes.
1,355 is the loss. So, by rolling it over, see, my first intention is to cover this loss. I want to cover this loss. Okay. So, but by rolling it over, I am again collecting a net premium of 2,700. Correct? So, how much I am collecting more than the last 2,730 minus 1,355.
Sir, sorry to ask. How do you roll over? How is it done? I've not done that.
See, rollover, it is just a calculation. It is only an assumption number, right? Because I'll tell you why I have taken 24,000 strike. Because yesterday, market closed at 23,570 or something, right? Yesterday, 580. It closed at 23,580. Okay?
Yes.
I have rolled it over just 500 points. That's it. The rollover calculation is nothing but 500 points away. So tomorrow, if the market still goes up, I will aramse book a loss. See, I will still, instead of 1355, I have already incurred a loss, but 2730 is the premium I have collected. I am prepared to take a loss of other 1375. Okay.
Okay.
So I will select a strike tomorrow, if at all the market is going up, I will roll it over to 24,500 or 24,400. Got it?
No, I don't think I got it.
See, if at all, again these two legs are giving me a loss.
Okay.
Okay. I will book the loss and I will roll over by selling a 24,400 strike and for protection 24,700 strike. So by rolling it over, I will ensure that whatever loss I have incurred here, I'll be collecting it.
Okay.
Got it? You're not understanding. That's why I'm telling you, unless and until you get into the job physically, you will not understand.
Okay. No, this is the first day of your session I'm attending, so I'm still trying to get that.
So who is that? Oh, Meena Rajesh. Okay, right. This is the first time you are attending. I can see you. Okay, see, these things are, this is not a complicated strategy.
Okay.
It's a very simple strategy. You will understand once you get into the trade physically once or twice.
Okay.
When you are, see, it looks like complicated, but it is not complicated. You are just rolling it over, that's it.
By rollover, you mean you're buying a fresh this thing?
Yes.
You're selling of this and buying a fresh. Okay.
If my call leg is giving me a loss, I'll roll over and create a fresh bear call spread. See, short time contract is a combination of bull put and bear call. Are you aware about this?
Yes, yes.
So by rolling it over, if my call leg is giving a loss, that means my bear call spread is giving a loss, correct?
Okay, yes.
If my put leg is giving a loss, that means my bull put spread is giving a loss, correct?
Okay.
So I will exit these two legs and I'll give a fresh bear call spread.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay, yes.
By rolling it over.
Okay.
If the market is going up in one direction, tomorrow, let's assume by Friday or Monday, the market goes to 24,200 or something. Why should I have a strike of 23,000 open? I will roll this also over. I might bring it to 23,500. So even if I get a premium of 10 rupees more, for 65 it is 650 rupees, right? For 1 lot. 65 to 10 is 650, no?
Yes, yeah.
You are understanding and telling yes, or just like they're telling yes?
I'm getting it. Yeah.
Who are all confused now? You tell me. Raise your hand who are all confused.
Me, sir.
Sriram, is it?
Yes,
no, day one when you did that iron contact, that was very clear. So today now you're talking about the same concept,
yes.
rolling over, right?
Yes.
The same thing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Same thing.
Except that day it was much easier. I don't know today, even I'm struggling. Maybe
because you are watching it from the phone.
Yeah, I know.
Correct? That's the reason.
Yes. Okay.
See, that's the reason I'm asking you to take paper trade. That also not everyone is taking. What do I do, sir? See, I told that I'll be posting it around 10 o'clock. Okay? None of you are bothered for that also. How many of you have acknowledged this? Wait.
I was about to execute actual trade only. Since I was traveling, I couldn't do that. So
that's okay.
I was waiting for time.
See, you tell me, not even one acknowledgement for this message. Not even one.
So,
how should I take it?
Seeing the message, we rushed to get into the trade set for the acknowledgement. But I tried.
I'm not asking one person. There are 35 persons in the group, right? There are 39, excluding me, it is 38. Out of 38, acknowledgement is 0. What should I assume?
So I did it, but I just didn't, I forgot to.
Okay.
Yes.
Others.
Yeah.
One guy has said, okay, sir. Very good. That is also an acknowledgement. When you guys are not bothered, why should I break my thing? If you are in my position, what will you do? You know what I would have done if it is old Sriram, 1 year old Sriram, what I would have done is, I would have just ended the session. I would have just disconnected this call and I wouldn't have used this word. Literally, I'm telling you, what I would have used is get lost. I wouldn't have told you guys, but I would have told to myself, get lost. If it is 1 year old Sriram. And I don't think I am wrong. Even if I am wrong also, no problem. Why should I waste my energy? Why should I break my head on students who don't even acknowledge this thing? I don't know. When you guys are working, I want someone to punish you guys by not acknowledging your message. Either your colleague or your junior, they should ignore you guys. I think they have not done that. That is why you guys are not feeling the pain. When you have a team, okay, and if your team members just turn their face and go up, don't acknowledge what you say, then only you guys will understand the pain of it. Till such time you will not. Okay, what should I do? Okay, end of the day, now I'm telling you, openly I'm telling you, unless and until you call me, I'm not going to ask you something. It is the same old 1 year old word, whatever I have used, I'm telling the same thing again. If you want to grow, put efforts. If you don't want, get lost. Sorry for this word. Okay? Forget about it. Why should I bother? Okay, so that I have posted EMAs. That was the last discussion. Okay, how many of you have at least gone through that? I've sent to at least some 7 or 8 persons that EMA related study material.
So I've gone through it, so.
Okay, have you understood anything or you have any doubt there?
How the EM is in higher time frames, how they are used, like it's there.
You
Just
got
a
some
second.
clarity on that?
Yes, sir.
No, you have any doubt or you got some
I need to
clarity?
go through it once. Another.
You go through it once and
Again, sir.
Okay.
So, yeah.
See, only if you go through it at least twice or thrice, you'll understand.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the next thing? Chart pattern.
Sriram.
Yeah.
Sriram, what I really like about the EMA chart, what I posted is also.
Also? Yes, sir, Suresh, sir. You are disconnected. Are you there, sir? Okay, let him come. We'll discuss chart pattern, bullish, bearish. Okay. So, what are all with this thing, bullish? Whatever you have learned, you tell me. Suresh, I am waiting for you, but meanwhile, I will continue. Hello?
In what I haven't shown.
Oh.
Sorry, I got signed out. I was saying when I gone through that EMA, right? The 5 EMA, scalper, then swing, etc. So far, even in my entire geo course, I never connected the line with a context, right? It is the 5, 13, 26. But I think what you've done is even more deeper, where You're saying if you were looking at a scale per look at a file EMA and a swing is 13, so that is a very nice thing. Huh?
See, definitely I can tell you, okay, I'm not raising myself, I'm telling you the fact. My study materials cannot be compared with any of the ASTA's study material. It contains vast information, at least I can say 2 or 3 times more than the information what you would have learned in the entire syllabus. Because that much of effort was put in creating that material. That's what I'm trying to say. Again, end of the day, I have huge respect for every trainer in ASTA. What I'm trying to say is, the information what you get from my material will be very vast. That's what I'm trying to say. That is why I always say make use of it. EMAs, definitely, you will never get any sentimental EMA which runs to at least some close to 10 pages. Correct?
Yeah. Stiram, I think you're going to cover that the 5 trader rules, no? What you put in. Maybe
we will cover
everything. Cover now.
Let me just open that now.
It's almost in the last page. Huh?
Yeah. I only prepare.
Before reading your this, I never thought about this comparing EMAs with different trend lines. Different
I always say
time frames.
That's what I always say. No, your support resistance trend line, your EMA with advanced outage. These three
time frames.
That's what 90% job is over if you club these 3 together.
Yes.
Okay, so Suresh, you want explanation on this?
Yeah, that will be useful, I think, for everyone, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Do we need to explain today because you are on the mobile? That's the reason I'm asking. Or shall we have it in the next session?
We'll have it in the next session then. Yeah, we'll have it.
Because if I understand, if I tell you something and because you're watching it through a mobile, there are chances you will not get the entire content fully. That's the reason I'm asking.
No problem. No issues. We can do tomorrow then.
Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, it's fine. We discuss this on Saturday.
Yes,
but
sir.
before
Yes,
that, my request. Yes, before that, my request: whoever have not gone through it, please go through this. Then only if whatever I'm telling you, will understand.
Is this in the group?
I've not posted in the group, I've only posted. I've sent it to students who have attempted my quiz. Because the reason is okay, Meena, right?
Yeah.
I'm not posting my study material in the group for the simple reason because it is very exhaustive. Okay, you need to allocate time, you need to allocate patience, you need to have patience to go through the entire content. If I post it in the group, okay, based on my previous experience, I'm telling you, okay, if the people would have downloaded it and allowed that to sleep in their laptop or phone, that's it. It wouldn't have moved even 1%. That is why I have not posted it in the group. I am sending it to students who have attempted my quiz because attending the quiz itself needs some patience. So, for respecting that patience, I have shared this material to those students. Not just EMA, other study materials also. For example, okay, again, because you are coming here for the first time, these are all the materials I have shared with them. The resistance line, the volume, the trading checklist, EMA, and one more, this thing is the difference between Harami, spinning top, and doji. Correct? As of now, I have shared 5 study materials with you all. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
correct,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So, my request is to whomever I have shared, please go through this so that we can discuss this on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Right. I think I have shared this to around 6 or 7% if I am not wrong. So that means only 6 or 7 have attempted this. Oh, right. Hey, whatever I discuss here is within the scope. It should not reach Asta. Okay. Okay. Chart patterns bullish. When I say it is
Inverted
bullish,
head and shoulder.
bullish or bearish? You are talking about bullish, right?
Yes, the bullish.
Bullish.
Inverted
Bullish.
head shoulders.
Double.
I'm only typing whatever you guys say.
Head and shoulders and bearish.
Cup and handle.
What is that? Bullish or bearish?
Bullish.
Okay.
Flag and pull.
So double bottom.
Double bottom.
Double bottom. Bullish.
Double bottom again bullish or bearish?
Bullish.
Okay.
Double top edge. Flag and pull. Bullish.
Wait. Let me just type. Flag and pull?
Flag and pull in bullish and bearish.
And bearish both.
Flag and pull is a continuation pattern. You can't classify either under bullish or bearish. Always classify as a continuation pattern. Okay. Flag and pull. Double bottom, double top.
Sir, even triple bottom can come, no, sir?
That's okay. Double bottom. When you say triple bottom is also part of double bottom. Don't worry.
Okay.
Again, as good as the same old wine in the new bottle with a different language. See, simple. If it is taking support, then you might see fourth bottom, fifth bottom, and all. Right?
Yeah.
Let us not get into all those things. Okay. Double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, up and handle. There is your rounding top, rounding bottom.
Up and rounding.
So mother candle is a setup. Mother candle is not a chart pattern.
The
Rounding
rounding
top, rounding bottom, where will it come?
Sir,
Rounding
bearish
bottom.
EDT.
Bullish. Rounding bottom and
EDT.
bullish.
Wait. Who's EDT now? Who's EDT person?
Bearish.
From S1, someone has already jumped directly to GUI.
Sorry.
To Elliott waves.
That's what. Pay attention on price action. Your Elliott wave and all will not help at all times.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You be strong with the price action.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, rounding top and rounding bottom. Where should I include?
Rounding bottom.
Rounding bottom is bullish. Rounding top is bearish.
Okay. So no problem. Especially, that's again a part of setup.
Sir,
No,
one
that's
more.
not a chart pattern.
Morning star.
Morning star is a chart pattern or candlestick pattern?
Candlestick pattern.
It's a candlestick
pattern. It's a candlestick pattern.
Okay.
Who said morning star?
Hi, sir. Geeta.
Why we discussed the morning star while discussing candlesticks, no ma?
Yes, sir. Bullish. So I thought that.
Got confused.
Not confused. Yes.
Okay, so first you guys try to differentiate between candlestick, chart pattern and setup. Okay. Yes, I also face the same issue when I was a student. I always get confused with the candlestick and chart pattern. Okay, and including the setup also. Okay, so see, now I think, do I need to explain this double top, double bottom? Okay, let us look at some charts.
No, sir.
Okay, let us look at some charts. We will take Wipro itself. Okay, so she was telling that you want to entry at 190?
194.
No, someone was talking about Wipro.
Yeah, sir. Me.
Oh,
194.
what? 194.
Yeah.
Why 194? No, what, I'm just asking on what basis you finalize 194.
When I started, it was 200.
Wait. See, she only let her answer. Wait. Yes, ma, tell me.
When I started the analysis, it was 200. Then
Okay.
my first support was 194.
Okay.
So if it comes there, I was thinking I will buy.
Okay. Why did you take 194 as why haven't you taken this one as a support?
That was my second support. I'm
just asking. See, I'm not telling that your 194 is wrong. I'm just asking why you have not taken this. That's it. Because what is the price? The low is 177, correct?
Okay, I have not gone to 180 level. I have stopped at 190.
So that means you have taken a support here itself.
Now 190 was my next support. 194 is my first support, and the second support is 190.
Where is 190?
Weekly,
What
sir.
is this?
I'm
I
checking
think
in weekly.
you're checking monthly. Yeah.
Oh, I'm checking monthly. Sorry. Okay.
Weekly. Weekly, sir.
Weekly, tell me. 190.
No, I've taken one at 190. There is one at 190.
Okay, see, this is low. Okay. The previous support was at around 187, correct? You said first support at 194.
194, yeah.
Where is 194?
Hello.
And 190, 190.54. Okay, let me see.
You said 194, correct?
One.
Where is 194? Sorry. Support at all at 194.
189, sir. 189.
Let's see, you are not clear in your support. Have you drawn the support line?
Yes, sir. I can send the snapshot. One second, I'll just
See,
send.
this is the proper support, correct? Today also price came, took the support, at least on intraday bounced back. Don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Okay, this is weekly, correct? It's okay. 188, correct? Approximately.
Correct. I just send that snapshot, sir, on chat. Oh, in our group, yeah.
Who is this? Please share the EMA PDF. Have you attempted the quiz, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
You have not attempted the quiz, right?
I didn't understand what you said.
I have posted the quiz in the group long time back.
Sir, I am in your recent group. That is.
Okay, I will send you the quiz first. Okay, I'll send you the quiz first. You first finish that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then I will share whatever you want.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Are you sitting in front of the system, ma? Purnima?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You mean to say this red line is your support?
No, not the red lines, sir. The blue ones.
This blue one.
Even the red ones.
Why did you take this blue one? This is much more stronger, no?
Yes.
On weekly, correct. In the previous support, you have a hammer. Correct?
Yeah.
On what basis? Okay, forget about that. This thing. So what else have you checked?
I just checked on. I went basis the support and resistance, sir. I was studying only the support and
What
resistance.
else you will check in before entering the trade? What else you will check?
MACD.
Okay. Your indicators. Okay. Forget about indicators. Then
Yeah. MACD was uptick, sir, when I checked.
how can it be an uptick?
On 27th February.
How can MACD be uptick? How can MACD?
On
This is falling.
23rd, sir.
This on February. Okay. This is 27th February. No. 23rd, 24th. After 23rd. Daily or weekly?
Weekly.
You said weekly. After 23rd, the next week is 2nd March. But even then, how can MACD be uptick? Oh, you are talking here. That is again on 6th March only. No?
बात तो हुई थी मेरे ऊपर जिनका फोन आया था मैडम का, तो बोला सर ये कंप्लेंट
26
एज इट इज काम लगा
27
मैं बात करता हूँ बैंक में यार, वो कहीं ना कहीं वो सबका माइंडसेट अलग है यार, ये घर पे यहाँ वहाँ
based on this one.
ठीक है करो
Yes, sir. It was uptick, so I just noted that down, and then I was waiting. I was thinking if it comes to 194, I will buy. But I did not get that price, sir.
But your price action is not showing anything. The price action is still falling only, no?
Correct. It is falling.
Okay. I thought I'll discuss this at a later stage. Now itself I'll discuss. No problem. Tell me. I thought I'll discuss this while discussing Papa. No problem. I'll discuss again during Papa. Okay. So bullish swing, let us discuss about the
बढ़िया टर्न कहाँ घूम रही हो भाव? अच्छा घर पे यार भैया पता भोजन करनी चाहिए भाव करते हैं साथ में।
Okay. So first let us go one by one. Candlesticks. Okay. What are all the candlesticks that are part of bullish swing?
Morning star. Bullish engulf.
Hammer.
Bullish swing. Yes. Kicker. Kicker candle.
That is Asta terminology. Okay, no problem. Piercing.
Bullish arami.
Which arami? Arami is a part of swing. Bullish candle.
The tweezer.
Tweezer is a subjective candle. Okay. Wait. One second. Candle 6. Wait. Just a night shift also. So I will go with the same order. Okay. So I'll go with the same order. This is the entry. Okay, where is the entry? For bullish swing, entry is at
Near to stop loss.
near to stop loss.
Support.
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 It is fighting water using.
Support.
Then for bearish swing,
Resistance.
At resistance.
very good. Bullish momentum.
Breakout.
Where is the entry?
Trend line breakout.
Two things: support and resistance. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So where is bullish momentum?
Flag breakout. Breakout of resistance.
Support again.
Breakout of resistance.
Support.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
For bullish swing, the entry is at support. Okay, here it is resistance. Again, bullish momentum entry is at resistance. Okay, and bearish momentum entry is at the support. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, then What is the entry? Okay. MACD. At bullish swing, MACD.
Above near zero line.
Is zero line?
Above zero line, sir.
Above zero line? Okay, I will write it in a different way. Okay, down on flat. Wait.
Or PCO.
Wait.
स्विंग में टीशू कहाँ पे मिलेगा?
एक लिमिट है, ये सबको अंडर
मोमेंटम है।
Okay.
Right.
स्विंग में MACD की सपोर्ट नहीं मिलेगी।
ठीक है.
Where will you check MACD? Which time frame you will check?
Right.
Right?
Wait.
Tide.
MACD you will check in time, right?
Tide.
No need to check for MACD in time as MACD being a laggard indicator will not give a uptick. Okay. Check for the same in wave. Got it?
Yes.
MACD. Oh, I am just killing bullish thing. We'll go for bearish later. Correct? RSI?
Yours.
So down and flat.
Above 40.
Between?
Above 40. Between 40 and 60.
Correct?
Yes.
Stochastic.
PCO.
PCO state.
PCO. Correct?
Yeah.
Then I'm just going the same at ADX DMA. Okay. ADX DMA. ADX DMA we have not discussed in our session, but you guys are aware about it. ADX DMA?
It should be above 14. Positive DI should be above.
Converging.
Duplicate.
Or converging. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Then ADX DMA, then coming to candlesticks. We already said engulfing, piercing, hammer, morning star. Piercing, hammer, inverted hammer, morning star.
स्ट्रीम को कर दो गाइस, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब गाइस.
See, sandwich per se is not it is a part of either swing or this thing. Okay, you have a combination of pattern wherever it is breaking out, based on that you take this thing. It is more, you cannot either call this a swing or you cannot call it as a momentum. So it's a subjective where it is called.
Sriram.
Okay.
Sriram, it should be hammer, na? It is Neher.
Yes. Yes.
Why it has called it?
Maybe the key.
Hammer, inverted
Keys
hammer,
will have
morning
got
star.
changed.
Yeah. Then, and the steps. Yes. Volume. For volume.
Rich.
Or 1.5 times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. EMA.
Not applicable.
No need of that.
No need, but at least for confirmation above 5 MA is good. Okay, NA or better if it is above 5 MA.
Sorry, what is this 1.5 to 2 times of what volume? What is
Above average.
Above average.
Oh, average, okay.
Average volume is 1.5. For example, if the volume is 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs is good. Okay.
Okay.
See, EMA is not applicable for swing, okay, but as an additional confirmation for better this thing, look for at least 5 EMA, closing above 5 EMA. Because 5 EMA will act as a strong resistance. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. BB?
BKP.
BKP.
Very good. Then what else? The divergence is okay. It is well covered. Divergence? Wait. I'm just writing it down. Divergence? Bullish divergence?
Bullish normal divergence.
Then? RD per se is not a proper. See, between RD and divergence, the normal divergence is much more stronger. Okay, RD is more of a continuation pattern. Normal divergence is more of a reversal pattern, which we will discuss in detail when I am discussing divergence. Okay.
Okay, sir.
English setup?
NA.
No.
Have you attended my? Were you part of that session? Which I took when monitor who is that? Prashant was not there. You are not there, right? Okay. English setup. Okay. Then your super condition. It's not that. Yeah, that's it.
Sir, ADX.
It is already mentioned here itself. No? ADX.
Yes.
Okay.
Stobo.
Not applicable, sir.
Yeah. Very good. Chart patterns.
Double bottom.
Double bottom.
Double fake.
Double bottom. Fake breakdown. Counter attack.
Bullish counter track. Bull counter track.
Yeah, you could pull counter attack.
Sir, breakdown comes under momentum, sir.
Fake breakdown. Fake breakdown, bull counter attack. This thing. Correct?
Yes, sir.
One second. This is again my
Complete zeros.
everything's explained.
You are an encyclopedia, Sriram.
Oh yeah. See, all these are prepared over a period of time. You will have everything. When I say just entry, here is just speaks about support, right? So what does it mean? You will get a detailed explanation in this one. That is why I'm asking you guys, please attend like this, please attend like this. You will get everything, all these things on a golden platter. No one is responding.
Yes, sir, will do, sir.
See, when I'm asking you to attend, I'm not going to gain even 1% here. I'm telling for your own good. Okay, so now you tell me. For bearish thing, we'll fill.
Same as that bullish swing, sir.
Same as fiber.
MA3 wouldn't have given a
Down tick.
Down tick.
check for the same English. Okay? Here.
60 to 40.
60 to 40.
NCO.
NCO.
Same.
Same. Bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing.
Yes, then
Evening, morning star changed by evening star.
Evening star.
then
Rest of all are same.
Shooting star.
is it the same?
Shooting star.
Hanging man, shooting star.
Who's that saying? Hammer, inverted hammer will not come,
No.
right?
Is the hanging man is the hammer only.
The top it is hanging man.
Yeah.
The bottom it is hanging.
The one that is at the bottom, which is a hammer, is called as hanging man at the top.
Yes.
And inverted hammer at the bottom is called as shooting star at the top. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For average, same.
Same.
EMA,
Same.
better below 5 EM.
Below yes.
Here,
BKT.
BKT. Divergence.
Bearish.
Bearish.
Bearish divergence.
Bearish.
Very sharp. English setup, same, not applicable.
Same.
Shobo, not applicable.
Double top.
Top. Then
Double top. Fake break out. Bear counter attack.
counter attack. One thing, okay, what qualifies a double top? See, there should be a gap. See, for example, let's take the example of a Wipro also.
Minimum 8 to 10 candles should be there.
No, it's not just minimum alone, it is maximum also. For example, on face of it, it is a double bottom, correct?
Yes.
You will call this as a double bottom. Yes or no?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
EBS one should be double bottom, sir.
Why?
Sir, this is very long, sir. Long period, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
that's
we
what I
can
was
take
about
it.
to say. That's what I was. See,
In
if the gap between the first bottom and the second bottom is too long, okay, it is only a support. It cannot be a double bottom. So, technically, chart-wise, looking at the chart, it will look like a double bottom, but technically, it will not qualify for a double bottom for the simple reason the distance between the first bottom and the second bottom is too long. Okay, if the distance between the first bottom and second bottom is more than 15 or 20 candles, okay, on a daily time frame, okay, don't call it as a double bottom, simply take it as a support. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Many of you might not be aware about this statement. If you are not aware, if you already know it, please ignore it. But if you are not aware, please note it down. If the distance between the first bottom and the second bottom is too long, okay, it only qualifies as a support. It does not qualify to call as a double bottom. Okay?
Sir, if
Yes.
it's in higher time frame, then it will come to know that.
Go for it on the lower time frame, on your wave time frame. That's a working time frame, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wave is a working time frame. Okay, see, yeah, tell me. Tell me. Yeah, someone was about to say something. Okay, perfect. So, when you are taking a double top or a double bottom, you should look for all these things. Okay, so what I suggest now is, don't take screenshot, okay? I will give you 10 to 15 minutes. Just read it. Just read it. Let me know. Once you have finished reading, I'll scroll it down.
Yes, sir. I have a question. What is double divergence?
Where is it? This one.
Yes, RSI.
When we are discussing divergence, we will discuss more on it. Because I have not discussed divergence.
Okay.
Divergence between the first top, second top, divergence between first bottom and second bottom and third bottom. When you are looking for triple bottom, you can look for double divergence. But okay, let us not get into that. Even if you get one divergence, that is more than
Right.
See, this is only highest probability. Double divergence is a higher probability, but even one divergence is also good.
Sir, what is between percentage K, percentage D?
There are two lines in stochastic, no?
Sir.
One line is called as K, the other one is called as D. K line and D line.
Okay.
I have separated this thing for that also. That also I will tell you. Wait.
Okay.
When you look at the PCO, you look for one particular line crossing the other line, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
is actually called as the K line. Just give me 1 second. So, again, if I want, now this one, if you want to learn about the K line and the D line, you can take a screenshot, but that will not help you much. That also I will tell you. Yeah, key difference between K line and D line. If you want to take a screenshot, but I will not suggest because we are not going to apply this on your day-to-day business. We are only going to look at the PCO and the KCO. Sorry, PCO and NCO. Finish stochastic?
Yes, sir.
Sriram.
Volume, low volume on the second bottom plus high volume on the reversal candle. Okay, low on the second bottom. What does it do? So that means the bears are getting out, right? High on the reversal candle, generally when there is a reversal candle, after that there will be a small retracement.
Yes, sir.
Most of the time, not at all time. But if there is a retracement and if the volume on that retracement candle is low, okay, that means bears are slowly getting out of the system. See, we discussed this in detail when we discussed volume.
Will you please repeat that, sir?
What I was telling is, when we discuss volume, we discuss this in detail. Okay, on the reversal candle, okay, what all the reversal candle at double bottom, your engulfing, piercing, morning star, hammer, inverter hammer. Generally, at the bottom, once there is a reversal candle, you might see at times, okay, or even 50% of the time, you will see some retracement. The retracement candle should have a low volume. Okay, low volume on the second bottom plus high volume on the reversal candle. Okay, that means the bears are getting exhausted. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just yes, sir, or you understood?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir. Go on, energy. Okay. In case if at all this line is not clear, confirm the close above.
Sir, it's mandatory to have a PCO, sir, in lower time frame in EMA.
See, EMA at least on a 1 hour time frame ensure that the price is above the 5 EMA.
Sir, my wave is at 1 hourly, means I have to see in 15 minutes, right?
No, if the wave is 1 hour, I will suggest you to stick on to that 1 hour time frame.
Okay.
Because 15 minutes will give you some false signal.
Okay, sir.
Are you a trader or this thing? What is your trading this thing? Are you an intraday trader?
Sir, no, sir. Positional, sir.
Then go for 15 minutes.
Okay, sir.
So what is the no NCO in last 2 to 3
No NCO in the last 2 to 3 candles means there should not be negative crossover of the EMA. Okay, the EMA negative crossover 513.26. Okay, there should not be a negative crossover. That is why it is mentioned price close above 5 EMA here. There should not be a negative crossover on 513.26. Okay. When there is a negative crossover, it's a strong bearish signal.
Okay, sir, but at reversal we cannot expect the crossover, positive crossover.
That is why I'm telling you better allow for better entry, for better confirmation, wait for the price to close above 5 EMA at least on the 1 hour time frame.
Of course, sir. On 1 hour time frame, it is getting crossover, maybe like advanced by trading continuously. But
yes, advanced out one of the condition advanced out is price close above 5 EMA, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm not saying. But no NCO means, like say for example, in a double bottom, already price will be in a negative crossover stage only. So the point of double bottom when we are getting bullish signals.
See, you should not have a negative crossover in the lower time frame for the ripple time frame. This means this is ripple time frame. Okay. No NCO means this is on the ripple time frame, not on your wave time frame. Wave time frame, yes, price would have already given an NCO only. There are chances it might be below 50 NCO, 50 EMA also. Correct? But ripple time frame, when you are taking entry, don't look for NCO. Ensure that there is no NCO in the last 2-3 candles. Okay. See, the other way is if that means the price is fluctuating, there is no confirmed close. That's what it denotes.
No, sir. There are only 2 options. One either can be positive crossover or it can be negative crossover.
Correct. See, what I am telling is, wait. What I am telling is here you don't need to wait for the positive crossover to happen. Here the entry is just based on the close above 5 EMA.
Yes, sir.
Positive crossover is close above 513 and 26. Correct?
Price closing above 513. Okay, sir.
513.26 is actually called as the golden crossover. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What I am mentioning here is price close just above 5 EMA. I'm not see price closing just above 5 EMA is not a crossover.
Yes, sir. Just a reversal, not a crossover.
Yes. So crossover in Asta term, it is 5 crossing 13 crossing 26 is actually in Asta's definition it is called as crossover. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What I am mentioning here is just even if there is no crossover, at least the price close above 5 EMA. Okay. Take this as a I won't see it is not a confirmed this thing. It's an early indication that yes, there is a trend reversal in place.
Up to that I understood, sir. But if you don't NCO the last 2-3 candles, that's why I won't.
No NCO the last 2-3 candles means if the price is fluctuating between 513 and 26. If there is a PCO, NCO, that means the trend reversal is still not stopped. Okay. See, when you look at some charts, then we will discuss that. Because see, I trade only in Nifty. Okay. I don't look at charts at all. So you look at some charts and come up with a question. Definitely, you will get a better answer.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Finish reading EMA?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't look at the Skeltner point because there is something called a Skeltner channel. Okay, that is one of the indicator which is not a part of pasta. I practice Skeltner, so that is why it has mentioned here. Okay, but ignore that word Skeltner.
Sir, can you show in chart, sir?
Skeltner channel.
Sir.
Why you are not happy with all the indicators? Whatever you have learned.
No, sir,
I'm telling you, don't look at it. I'm telling you, don't look at the indicators at all.
Okay, sir.
Use indicators only for price action. See, use indicator only to check divergence.
No, sir, the word attracts me. That's why.
So I think, okay, I'm not sure, but I'm just assuming that the person who designed that indicator should be called as, his name should be Keltner. So he'll be very happy if at all he is alive. I don't know whether that Keltner indicator is designed by Keltner. I'm just assuming that.
Okay, sir.
I don't get into that. Yeah, look for price action. Pay attention to price action. Use your indicators only to check divergence.
Okay, sir.
And your RSI stochastic MA series more than it.
Yes, sir.
So for the Bollinger Band, best when BB is contracting, is that the word, sir?
See, BKP itself is a first step towards contracting.
Contracting only, right? No, we can't see that contracting word. That is
the contracting word. See, BB price at near low BB on day time.
स्ट्रीम को लाइक कर दो गाइस फटाफट से। ये मोदी के भाषण की 9 बड़ी बड़ी बातें भैया जो अभी तक हुई हैं, देखिए कैसी बातें ये।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have heard about it.
BB not challenged out in tight time frame. See, price at near BB, yes, it is BKP only. Okay. BKP is already mentioned here, no? At the heading itself. See, for BB contracting, okay, the first signal is your BKP. Your MACD turning from down tick to flat, then to up tick, right?
Yeah.
The MACD is changing its course from down tick to up tick. First, what will happen? First, it will be falling, then it will change flat, then it will go up tick. While you are taking a U-turn on your vehicle, what will you do? You go to the extreme right lane, okay? Then you turn your car, then you take a U-turn. It's a two-step process, right? Turn your car, stand, watch if at all if someone is coming there on the opposite side, then only you take a U-turn, right?
Yes, sir.
Experienced drivers, if at all there is a sharp U-turn, they will just like that take it. But that is as good as if there is a good price bounce. Okay, if the bounce is happening, without even that flat curve, you will directly see an MACD uptick. If at all there is a good movement. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
BKP is the band is falling, then taking a curve, then giving an uptick. So BKP is the first step for reversal.
Yes, sir.
Have you finished reading divergence?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We forgot to mention 3 white soldiers.
Sir, piercing line. What's my piercing line, sir?
Median.
Okay.
Median of the candle is the piercing line.
Okay.
बोलती है और कैब खा लिया चालू करें पानी देखो नहीं एप्पल है मतलब नो सिस्टम अलग है वो अभी तो साल है वो चालू होता है
So what is the AAA pattern, sir?
Amar Akbar Anthony. That is a part of Ungli setup.
Yes, sir.
Have I mentioned AAA anywhere here?
Pardon, sir?
Have I mentioned AAA anywhere here?
Yes, sir. It is there in continuation. Last bullish continuation.
Yeah, because this was prepared almost a year back. Where is it?
Last column, sir. Bullish continuation. In that, the last one.
This
AAA
one
pattern.
here.
Okay, yes, sir.
Read. We have only swing here. Don't look for continuation.
Okay, sir.
You are only looking at reversal.
Yes, sir.
We are only discussing swing, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I read that, so.
No, don't read all these things. That is why I have not. That's the reason it is partly hidden.
Okay.
So, the question on BKP and BKT. So, is that the reason Avadut has named it differently? The BKP and BKT has always been there, whatever the full form you have written above.
See, BKT is a Asta term. It is not a technical term as per the dictionary. Okay, it is Avadut term.
Right, but you found that right above BKP and BKT.
BKP and BKT, see, all these things are prepared from my Excel sheet here. This is not just like the downloaded from somewhere. Okay, wait.
Okay.
All these things, this Excel sheet was built initially. This Excel sheet was built initially. Okay, so instead of just a black and white, to give some color, I have done that.
Right. We have seen this earlier.
Because this is not something that is downloaded from internet. I have physically written everything on an Excel sheet, copied and then created an image like this.
Right.
Because it will always look better now when you see something on a color instead of a black and white.
Yeah.
And this I could able to capture more information here. See, Excel sheet is only small. This is very small, but this is much more in detail, right?
Yes.
No, sir, what I think he wanted to ask was that actually BKP and BKT has a different full form. That is the.
What is BKP in BKP in Hindi? What is Bhagavan ka Prasad, right?
Prasad, yeah. So actually Bollinger that K and.
See, for easy remembrance, Avadut sir has kept that is calling that as BKP for easy remembrance. That's it.
Okay. Yes.
You want to know what is BKP? See, the abbreviation of BKP is Bhagavan ka Prasad. When you ask for Prasad, how will you keep your hand? You get a folder hand, right?
Yeah.
So that is what he is calling it as BKP. And I don't know Hindi, but one or two words. See, if you ask me this in form, he used what is Tambu me Jamavat. What is that?
Tambu me Jamavat.
Those words are not I don't remember.
Tambu me Gavrat.
TMJ.
Yeah. TMG. BKP, BKT, Ungli, these things I remember. That's it. Finish reading candles?
Yes.
Don't get into this Adam and Eve and all. This is not part of our stuff. But it is as good as a double bottom only.
So W pattern also new.
W pattern is also double bottom only. See, W pattern technically, if you go and search for double bottom in Google, okay, it will help you with the double bottom, but not all double bottom will be found based on W pattern. Even when Mukesh had taught you double bottom as a part of SMM, he would have explained you keeping this W for double bottom and M for double top, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But technically, not all charts will be formed like all double bottom and double top will not be formed like a W or a M pattern.
Yeah.
Okay, so W pattern, this Adam and Eve is all part of double bottom only. Okay, so unless and until there is one earlier students used to ask, so there is no W this thing at all, how can we call this as a double bottom? Okay. See, not all candles are, not all chart patterns will be formed keep following the dictionary. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Finish reading chart patterns.
Yes, sir.
OI, I have not discussed. If you want, you read. Otherwise, we'll discuss OI. We'll discuss phone strategies at a later.
Sir, we will discuss form strategy later, sir.
We'll discuss phone later. Okay. Yeah. So, this thing, this is entry stop loss group. How to get this outside?
Sir, what is below form strategy, sir?
What is?
Below the form strategy, next to the form strategy in the fix.
Form strategy.
Okay.
Entry triggers for all. This is the entry triggers.
क्या भैया, अरे कब से बचपन से बोले लगाता हूँ फोन। ठीक, सही बात है। हो गए हम तो फ्री हो गए, तुरंत ही है टाइम। अच्छा, तो काम अभी चालू है क्या? नहीं मतलब लग गया कि अभी काम चल ही रहा है। ओके, ठीक है।
Divergence, if I haven't attempted it so yet.
No problem. That is okay. See, if you are interested in Papa, I will give you Papa. Okay, but whoever have finished SMM also, no problem. Send me a message, I will share this.
No, so that like once we get into Papa, we can go like that because divergence we are not counted in the second ourselves.
Yes. See, the quizzes, you guys have already completed Geo. The quiz is designed keeping the designed based on the Geo this thing only. Okay, so you can even attempt Papa, no issues. If you have attempted SMM also, you can send me a message and share this thing. Okay. This is the first time I'm opening this file. I thought I will not even open this subject today. This topic was a part of Papa setup only because someone was discussing about the double bottom and the entry, so I thought I'll just open it now. Otherwise, I never had this in my mind. Okay. This is a simple setup. Shall I close this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This contains good information, right?
Very good.
Very comprehensive.
So, whoever have finished the SMM, Papa is fine. Even if you have finished SMM, send me a message, I will share this with you. And don't share it with anyone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I want to chart patterns. I think you guys are clear, right? You want me to give any sort of explanation on chart pattern? Only thing I want to tell you is double bottom. Okay. Some people might not be aware about the condition what I told earlier. Okay. This Wipro example is not a double bottom. It is just a support. Okay. That's the only thing I think. But you guys are clear in identifying the double top, double bottom, cup and handle, everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Cup and handle better. Look for cup and handle on a monthly time frame. First preference. Second is weekly. Okay. First is monthly, preferably. Second option is weekly. The same holds good for rounding top and rounding bottom. See, a rounding bottom and cup and handle, what is the difference? The one without a handle is called as a rounding bottom. Correct?
Yes.
You don't have a handle in a cup and handle. It is nothing but a rounding bottom.
A rounding, okay.
Rounding top, you will see always rounding bottom, rounding top, cup and handle is linked to accumulation and distribution. When we discuss volume, we discuss accumulation and distribution, right?
Yes, sir.
So, where will you see accumulation, where will you see distribution?
At the bottom of distribution.
Which one is bottom?
Accumulation at the bottom.
Accumulation at the bottom, distribution at the top, correct? So, accumulation at the bottom, what will you check the volume? From the volume perspective, what will you check? The volume should be going up considerably, which itself is an indication that the institutions are accumulating the stock at the bottom. What is the main difference between volume and other indicator?
Other indicators are lagging. Volume will. Other indicators follow the price.
Precede the price.
Side of the price.
Volume
Yes, correct. Volume precedes the price. Other indicator follows the price. So volume indicator is an early indication that yes, there could be a reversal in place, either on a particular stock or on a day. But stock will be much more distinct because Nifty accumulation is different, stock accumulation is different. Okay, especially when you are investing in stocks or trading in stocks, look for accumulation at the bottom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wipro, is there any accumulation at the bottom? Volume is considerably slightly going up when you compare to this level. Correct? Volume is actually going up, right? When you compare to this bottom, at least
Yes,
from
sir,
here,
it's going up. It's going up.
It's going up.
it's slightly going up. Okay, better than this one, at least from 2026, from 19th Jan, okay, leave alone this bearish candle, the volume is increasing in Wipro. What is happening? How will you interpret the volume? Let us check here. Okay, this is a falling candle. Okay. See, this is a bullish candle, correct? So let us compare the volume between bullish candle and bearish candle. So on a bullish candle, the volume is high, correct?
Yes.
On this bearish candle, volume is low. Again, on this bullish candle, volume is high. Yes?
Yes.
This volume is actually falling. Correct? In all the bullish candles, the volumes are higher than the bearish candles. Except one or so there might be some accumulation that is happening, but let us see. But as this thing, let us wait for the price confirmation. At least let us wait for the price to close above 5 EMA. See, today IT stocks have gone up. I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. What is this rate? It's 50 is doing. It's almost down 300 points. If I'm not wrong. Close up 800, right? 800. Now it is 23,450. So 350 points down. Dow is down 1%. Nasdaq is down. What is Infi doing? Wipro is again down. Let's see. Okay. So volume, now you understood the importance of volume, right? So volume precedes the price, unlike other indicators. Okay. Any doubt on the subject? What are we discussed till now?
Sir, what was the statement regarding cup and handle? Monthly is preferred,
Cup and handle, the first cup and handle, rounding top, rounding bottom. For all these three, monthly is the first option, preferred option. Second option is weekly. Okay. See, in a cup and handle, from bottom to the cup level, you should see the volume gradually going up. And compared to the falling volume.
Okay.
Got it? It's same Wipro, there was a cup and handle formation. This was a sort of cup and handle. Let us check the volume here.
Sir, cup and handle must be in the bottom now, sir.
See, technically cup and handle might be at the bottom, provided the stock is somewhere at this level. But what is the price level here? For this range, see, technically, if you want to call it as a bottom, this is the bottom, correct?
Yes, sir.
But after that, price had gone up. Before
Yes,
that, the
sir.
previous time, this is a good bearish trend. What is the difference between the first one? This is April 22, correct?
Yes, sir.
And this is April 25, Jan 25. It's almost close to 3 years.
Yes, sir.
3 years is a good time frame. See, 5 years is a very good time frame. But 3 years is a decent time frame for a cup and handle. Okay. Then what are the stock cup and handle we can look for?
Sir, even in silver.
EMR airport.
GMR. Let us look at the stocks instead of going into the commodities. GMR airport. This is the perfect bottom. Correct? But if you check what is happening, these are all bottoms.
Yes, sir.
Can you check the volumes that are getting accumulated? This is called as accumulation.
It's increasing.
See, here it is falling, correct?
Yes, sir.
From this area or from either from this area, what is the volume level? Almost either at average or below average, correct?
Below.
So here it is more of a bottom base. Base is getting formed. Then after that, price started going up, correct? Its volumes also have picked up. So in a cup and handle, you have to check this thing. What is the volume indicating? Whether the volumes are picking up is what you need to check. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
A perfect this thing.
Not a perfect handle, sir.
It is taking this one. Now it will look like a perfect handle, right?
Is it like shakeout before breakout? The condition which is to be generally to be.
This is a handle is formed. Now this is a shakeout candle. If there is a breakout, this is called as a shakeout candle. These are the shakeout candles.
It can further go low up to 80 also.
Yes.
But not
And
below
so
70.
we don't know. That we don't know. Okay. See, I am a person who will not predict. I will go with the price action. It might go, it might not go also. See, now, right now, all this airport stocks or the airline stocks are not doing well thanks to Iran Israel war. Okay. See, airport, GMR airport, where do they get the revenue? The flights are operating 100%, right? The flights are not operating 100%, even their revenue will be taking it. Correct?
Yeah.
In GMR airports, and the Hyderabad airport is handled by GMR, right? What are all the airports that are handled by GMR?
Yes, Hyderabad, Delhi, right? And recently they taken, not there, that was GVK, they taken.
GVK is original this thing.
Original. Now Adani is taken over. So as far as Delhi and Hyderabad is concerned, that's GMR. I think recently they got one more airport.
Bank also.
That's a smaller one. Smaller airport.
Hyderabad, Bidar,
and Delhi.
Yes Bank also.
Operating airports is Delhi, Hyderabad, Bidar, Goa. What is this? No, this is Indonesia. Then back to airport under construction is Visakhapatnam. Okay, so Delhi is a bigger one, Hyderabad is a bigger one. These
Yeah,
India
these
are
are
not
the
a
biggest.
These within India, Hyderabad and Delhi are decent. Delhi is definitely a bigger airport. I'm not aware about this Indonesia. So once this war is over and in case if things is getting normalized, there are chances these airlines and airports stop moving. Okay.
In fact, cup and handle is in Yes Bank also. There is an inverted head and shoulder, then followed by a cup and handle.
Yes, sir.
Where is cup and handle? Where is cup and handle in Yes Bank?
If we go to weekly, it will be a little bit visible, I think.
This is weekly, right? From here, from July, it is a flat line only. See, what was the price here? It was at 1193, right? On July 2020. What is the price? 18. What is the company?
So Tanla platforms.
At Tanla is there, that's old this thing.
ABC Capital.
Every session we will do that one.
Sir, ABC Capital.
Yeah, ABC Capital, yes. Yeah, this is last session. This cannot be called as a cup and handle. Okay. Again, the price is only falling.
This is Gadasha.
I'm not getting into this Gada Goda.
But this Gada will give very soon good surprises.
So many of it hasn't picked up.
Yeah.
It's there only. The price is moving around there only.
Now you let us take the volume. See, give volume. Every time there is a bullish candle, there is a good volume. The volumes are better when compared to this one here, right?
Yes, sir.
Volumes are actually have gone up. This is my accumulation phase. See, to be very frank, for a perfect cup and handle, there should be a base formation here. This is more of an oscillation flow, correct? If you take, for example, let's take Tanla for it.
So even Union Bank, that's also there.
Hey. Okay, for a perfect cup and handle, there should be some base formation here. If at all there is no, this particular seat is going up, coming down, going up, coming down. This cannot be see, there should be fall, okay, a base, then it should go on. Some other stock, this one. Yeah, at least on this area. This is sort of base, correct? Hello? Someone is either watching TV or something at the time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there should be some base for a perfect cup and handle. Okay. This is fine. But okay. As I said, you will not get the stock will not be printed exactly as per the British definition.
Sir, handle is break down, sir.
No, see, this I had drawn it sometime when I was teaching them. I have not drawn today. This I have not drawn today. Okay. Okay, so now at least you got some idea what are the things that you need to look for bullish thing. Okay. The main thing is you should check for divergence. Okay. Bullish divergence for a bullish reversal and bearish at support. Okay. And bearish divergence at resistance. The most important thing.
Yes, sir.
Hey, see, I'm going as per the same thing that was taught to you in Asta. If at all you guys are clear with certain subjects, tell me, at least I will not bore you with the same subject. I think most of you are slightly weaker in divergence part and on the form, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, form A to Z, sir.
Form, okay. Form is not a problem. But at least within SMM and Papa, which area are you guys weak? At least because again, I will not
Papa setups. Papa setups.
Yes.
Papa setups. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is the
Yes, sir.
reason why I'm not spending too much time on explaining you this double bottom, double top, or the morning study in the candlesticks and the chart patterns. I have not spent too much time because there's nothing much to teach because you guys have already learned it. But I have paid some attention on the volume because I don't think that elaborate volume discussion was discussed when you were a part of GA.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
So divergence we will discuss. Fibonacci.
Yes, sir, we did.
We need that.
Yes.
Fibonacci required.
Fibonacci levels we are aware, sir, but people trade on the basis of Fibonacci only, and might
Don't trade based on Fibonacci, and Fibonacci is one of the indicators. Don't trade based on the Fibonacci.
No,
okay.
It was mentioned in this thing that people trade on the basis of Fibonacci only, like the levels they mark like that. So we want to know more about your version on this, and where to use just to check the levels or
see Fibonacci level each level will only act as a support and resistance. Okay, like how do you draw trend line? See trend line. Okay, what are all the things that are part of support and resistance? One is a trend line, correct?
Yes.
Then is your EMA, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
EMA is a part of support and resistance. Your trend line is a part of support and resistance. Your monthly candle high and low is a part of support and resistance, correct?
Yes.
Yes. To an extent, weekly candle high and low is also a part of support and resistance, but that is only for a short term. Okay, yes. That is only for if you are trading a weekly strategy. Your weekly candle high and low will act as a support and resistance. It is not a very strong support or resistance. When I say support, even daily is a support and resistance, but it's not as strong as that your trend line and your EMS. Yeah. See, your daily and weekly support and resistance, candle support and resistance, it is not as strong as monthly candle first. It is not as strong as EMA. It is not as strong as trend line. Okay, those are all temporary or short-term support and resistance. Okay.
Yes.
So apart from this, then the next one that comes as a part of support and resistance is Fibonacci. Fibonacci is one support and resistance. Okay, all support and resistance are meant to be broken. If you again put all these things together, every level there will be some sort of support and resistance. At one level, you will for every price action, for every 10 rupees or 15 points, you will see support and resistance. Like you might see at one level you will see a trend line. At one level you will see a Fibonacci. At one level you will see an EMA. Don't get into that too much. Fibonacci, just check where the bounce is happening, at what level the bounce is happening. That alone you check from a Fibonacci point of view. Okay. Fibonacci will act as a support and resistance, but not at all times. Mainly, Fibonacci is used for marking the area trade and to check if at all the reversal, if there's a reversal, at what level the reversal is happening. Whether reversal is happening at 23 or 38 or 50 or 62 or 78. That is the most important. And one thing, whoever is having my trading checklist, their Fibonacci level is explained in detail. How many of you have gone through this one? Okay, I'm asking the students to do my exam.
So I have gone through this until the EMA part.
Okay. Now what I suggest is, what I suggest is go through that. So when you are listening about divergence, at least go through that in detail. Don't go through that in detail, at least give a glimpse of it. Okay, just spend some 2 minutes. Don't try to understand, but just look what is mentioned there. Okay, next session we will discuss divergence. Fibonacci, this is what is this. Just read it now. See, each will act as a support and resistance. Okay, price reversal near 50 is healthy, 61 is golden ratio. It's the last line of difference. Break beyond this, offer signals full trend reversal. Always combine Fibonacci with support resistance zone, EMA, candlestick pattern, divergence for maximum. So pay attention to support, resistance, trend line, EMA, and your price action. Fibonacci, just check at what level it is reversing. That's it. Use Fibonacci only for that thing. Understood?
Yes.
Or if you are not understood, ask me again, I will do it.
Sriram, please repeat.
If at all, at double bottom, okay, what will you check? You will check for support and first, a trend line confirms double bottom or support. Okay?
Correct.
Double bottom or support. Okay. Then you look for the price close above 5 EMA as one of the confirmation for a reversal.
Yes.
Okay. Then your candlestick. What are the candlesticks again? The engulfing, piercing, hammer, inverter hammer, morning star. Correct?
Correct.
After checking all these things, go and check the Fibonacci level. Okay. What was the Fibonacci level there? As it's reverse at 23% or 38% or at 50% or at 61.8 or something. Okay. So if it had retraced after reaching 23% or up to 50%, up to 50%, see 50% is the midpoint, correct? So that is considered as a healthy reversal. Okay. Simple. See, I'll just explain, take 5 minutes to finish Fibonacci. Okay. I'm not sure whether this example was already discussed, but I'll again. There are 10 floors in the building. Okay. There are 10 floors in the building. Ignore lift. Okay. Forget there is no lift or there is no current or there is no generator. Okay. From you have come to your friend's house at the first floor. And after and your house is on the 9th floor or 10th floor. Okay, you have climbed your step all the way from first floor to 10th floor. After reaching your house, you have realized you have left your mobile or your house key at your friend's house. What is your option? You have to come all the way down, correct? And you have to climb all the way again up.
Yeah.
What will be your energy level?
It's gone completely.
Gone completely. Okay. Suppose if you left the key at your friend's house at the 5th floor or 6th floor, what will be your energy level there?
It's okay, maybe.
That is what Fibonacci is. Okay. It has fallen almost 78%. Okay. 78% is as good as the first floor.
Okay.
It will take time to reach the top floor. If it has fallen roughly up to 50%, that is the 5th floor. Okay. You don't need that much of stamina, that much of energy from climbing from 5th floor to 10th floor, right?
Correct.
Compare it to the first floor.
Correct.
That is the only distinct with Fibonacci. If the price has retraced at 50% level itself, chances of price reaching 100%
is very
high. If it has gone to 78%, from there it is going to 100% level, will not happen so soon.
Got it.
Understood this example? Guys, everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Very much. Yes, sir.
Was this example discussed during your GO? This particular example?
No, sir. No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
No.
This is Sriram. So one question there is now 61% if you look at golden ratio, whereas this next one, deep retracement is not a good one.
See, 61%. Fibonacci is not just related to stock market. It is related to many things. Wherever if you see, the 61.8% will form a major area. See, Fibonacci and 68%. You put it in Google and check. Fibonacci and 61.8%.
Okay.
Both will be linked for many this thing, not just for the stock. Fibonacci is just not for the stock market.
Okay.
In mathematics and nature, the Fibonacci sequence, if you still want to learn Fibonacci and nature.
Okay, I'll Google it. Yeah.
Fibonacci 6.8 nature and nature. Check. Deeply elevate structural patterns and nature from efficient design principle. The ratio is derived from that is okay. This is the formula. spirals in flora and fauna, growth patterns, that is many shells such as, how do we pronounce this? Yeah, Nautilus. Okay, human anatomy, structural efficiency. Okay, so 60, this Fibonacci again, not just linked to stock market, it is linked to many other things, but we are not using it at all. Might be some science student might be knowing this. Okay, so now understood what is Fibonacci, how to interpret this level, at least with this first floor, 10th floor example.
Yes.
Okay, got some idea of Fibonacci. Fibonacci is one of the element of support and resistance. Just check at what level it has reversed. That's it. Don't confuse too much with Fibonacci. Whether it has fallen 23% or 38% or 50% or 68%. That's it.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. And while drawing the Fibonacci, take the recent swing low. Okay, that alone we will discuss when we are looking at some charts. Okay. Where is the starting point and where is the ending point? That we will discuss. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything? No?
No, sir.
So you got some idea about the bullish swing and bearish swing? But I want you guys to go through it again and again. For that you should have the material with you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Whoever have finished the SMM and Papa quiz, send me a message. I'll share that with you. And to whomever I have shared this, what is this trading checklist, please go through it. Divergence quotient, we will discuss this in detail during the next session on Saturday.
Sir, can I say something?
Please.
I think that mostly all students we lack in two things. One is the practice, then second is the setups correctly. Picking the right price, looking to the price action. So once this setup is over, then form will be beneficial. Otherwise,
both are your practice and setup is interlinked. With practice, you will get more doubts. With more doubts, okay, you will get more clarity. That is why I'm asking you, I'm begging you, please practice. I'm asking you to practice.
I actually begging you, sir, please help in getting us sharpen on this swing and other momentum setup.
And that's why I tell you, practice, come up with some charts. Come up with some charts. We'll discuss with some charts. See, I don't track charts. I track only Nifty. You track some charts and come up with this thing. No one is posting anything on the group. In fact, I told the same thing in the last session also. No one is posting anything on the... See, when I say no one, it is not literally no one. It is 90%. Okay, I know 1 or 2 students have started posting. Okay, 90% of them, I don't see any activity at all in the group.
No, I promise, sir. From this week
if you guys don't practice, as I always say, even if you have done 100 sessions, 1,000 sessions, it does not help you in any way. It is as good as you guys trying to learn driving by watching someone driving the car. Will you learn to drive by watching someone driving the car?
No.
You have to sit on the driver's seat. No.
Yes, definitely.
But as of now, you guys are doing the same thing. You guys are watching someone driving the car and try to learn driving. That will not happen. That will not work.
So we'll start posting.
I am also telling, please call, be open. That also you guys are not doing. What else I can do?
It's really bad on our part. We'll do it, sir. We'll understand.
See, if you ask both questions, then it will be interesting for me also to take session. When you guys are not at all asking any questions, when you guys are not at all responding to the messages, I will also lose interest here. Frankly speaking, I have already lost some 10-15% interest. Because no one is responding.
I have one question. So, a bullish trend, there is a mother candle formed. Within the mother candle, there is a morning star. So take the trade based on the morning star or wait for the mother candle to break out.
One thing, mother candle is a setup.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mother candle also will act as a support and resistance. Mother candle low and high will also act as a support and resistance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there is a morning star reversal candle, price closing above 5 EMA, go for it.
Okay.
But if the mother candle is broken, either on the upside or the downside, it
Yes,
loses
sir.
its significance.
No, the mother candle is quite big.
That's okay, no problem. But if it is already broken or
No, sir, it's not broken. But within the mother candle, there is also a morning star form.
then within the mother candle, if there is a morning star is formed, then your next mother candle high will be your target.
Okay.
If it is a big candle.
Yeah, it's a big candle.
And provided there is no intermediate support or intermediate resistance.
Okay.
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 But this is a very blank question. Okay. But again.
No, sir, I was.
No. Wait. What I'm trying to say is.
Yeah.
What works in one chart will not work in the other chart. Okay. That is why. See, again, what works today will not work tomorrow, or what works yesterday will not work today. Everything is new. So the more you practice, the more you will get clarity. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir. I was thinking of waiting for another confirmation candle for that morning star.
Every one of you takes
even if that is within the mother candle. So.
Why can't you guys take 5 stocks or at least 3 stocks to start with? At least there are some around 18 students here. Okay. If you take 3 stocks, it is 50 stocks here. If you analyze 50 stocks, you will get clarity on almost 95%. Just 3 stocks each. 18 to 3, 54, right? When we analyze 50 stocks, the knowledge level will be somewhere. Oh, that's all. Again, silent.
Sir, we will split stocks each from Nifty 50, sir. We 18 50 stocks from Nifty 50, and within this Saturday we have to post like in trend lines supports, and we have to post in the group. Like that we can.
Do that. See, whether even if you're doing it wrong, no problem. Yeah, you're not going. You're not writing an IAS exam to prove something to someone. If you are doing something wrong, be happy that you are getting an opportunity to correct it.
Right.
Every mistake you do is an opportunity to correct. So be happy for that mistake. If you want to grow to the next level, you have to put yourself to shame. Otherwise, you will not go to it. Anywhere, I'm not just talking about the trading. Even in the beginning of the career, okay, there are people who will criticize you, who will use unwanted language. All those things will be there. But if you patiently listen and do your work, go to the next level. The person who is scolding you more, okay, will only help you to elevate yourself to the next level. I'm telling you. Even your school teacher, the teacher who scolds you more, okay, is having some personal attention on you. If he is not bothered about you, why will he scold you? Tell me.
Right.
Correct, no? A teacher who is working only for salary will not be bothered about anyone. A teacher who is taking personal attention on you will only always shout at you, use unwanted language, because he is bothered about your well-being. So give attention to that well-being. Don't pay attention, why this guy is always criticizing me, why this guy is always shouting at me. Don't pay importance to that. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So please practice. We will discuss divergence in the next section.
Yes, sir.
We look at some charts. Come up with some charts idea in the next session.
Sure, sir.
Right?
Guys, let's all promise to sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you don't have to promise me. If you are doing it, you are doing it for you.
No, it's high time, sir. If we respect you, then we have to do it. So let's promise to sir.
Hey,
Absolutely.
Okay. If you guys do well in the market, I'll be the most. That is my biggest reward. I don't expect anything from you guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'll do it, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for your time. We'll meet again on Saturday.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, Sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
छुट्टी मिल जाती है। हाँ जाते हैं कभी। कल कर ठीक है कर इन्हें कवर में चढ़ थी सुबह जाना मानता थी कि
Zero bar zero bar is
भाड़ी सोना की यार, भाड़ी सोना की भाड़ी भाड़ी चटनी दी थी।
टमाटर होता तो
अच्छा Welcome to the stream, guys.
Mm.